Hey guys, it's Dave with Master Room and Odor Removal. I did not bring my trusty mudding knife, my putty knife, today, and I found in the back of my car a long neglected razor knife. So I am using that. I'm in a cigarette house, and so I didn't even think to grab it, but this one was heavily smoked in for a long time, and so there's perfume everywhere. Like you see in that vent, let me see if I can take you over there. You see how there's a cup right there? I need to unscrew that vent and grab that cup. Well, let me show you my collection so far. Here is my collection of odor stuff. I've got, let's see what they have. 3 Oziums. Oh, I just dumped that on me. Oh, dang it. This cup full of plug-ins. A Downy thing, a plug-in. These 2 that got stuck to the filter in the HVAC. And then I've got, and this is my first cleaning. I just wiped to see if I can get that up. So there's a ton of odor products trying to mask this odor, that stuff in my finger. Ugh. So, first step is remove the odor source, right? You might be thinking, hey, that's not an ashtray up there, so really is it going to smell that bad? The answer is it's become a de facto ashtray because the dust that's up there and the grease and all that, it's just really absorbent. So it will have absorbed all of that odor, and it will be a stinker for sure. So anyways, I wish I had my putty knife. It would have gone a lot faster. And because I now know about that 1 cup in the vents, I need to go check 3 bedrooms and this main room feed. So anyways, fun tip for you. And you know, the reason I don't keep my my putty knife with me is because using chlorine dioxide, everything comes in bags. And I'm always worried about it cutting things. So I really need to make like a leather sheath, or a Pelican's just too big. I just need something to protect that edge. Yeah, give me your ideas. Maybe like a sawtooth, like a plastic protector, but I need to stay on. I need like a little leather sheath or something. So I can just leave it in my kit. I know I can put it other places, but you know, when I've done that, I just end up sticking my hand on it and I slice my finger because I've used it a lot, so it's very sharp. Anyways, give me a thought. I'm missing my 6-inch putty knife right now. Thankfully, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 upper caps. So let me finish cleaning these. I do have my trusty vacuum. I got this. This is a Wise vacuum, and all that is just from 1, 2, 3, 4 cabinets. You can see how much dust, and it just smells crazy. You know your friends who vape that they don't think they smell like anything, but they really do smell kind of fruity and kind of like that cherry smell or something? It smells like that. So we'll be cleaning that filter out really good after this. This is my vacuum force odor job, so it's not a surprise when it gets smelling funny. But we will clean that out because the dust is so fine that's up here. And there's been dryer sheets up here and all kinds of stuff to try to mask odor. So here we go, finished cleaning.